Welcome to the channel. If you're a tech enthusiast or a Sony Xperia fan, you're in for a treat. Today, we are diving deep into the upcoming Sony Xperia 17 Mark VII, a flagship smartphone expected to push boundaries in camera technology, display innovation, and powerful performance. With Sony's legendary imaging technology, improved AI capabilities, and a refined design, will the Xperia 17 redefine the smartphone market in 2025? Let's explore every detail of this highly anticipated flagship and see if Sony can compete with industry giants like Samsung, Apple, and Google. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest smartphone leaks, reviews, and comparisons. Over the past few years, Sony Xperia smartphones have maintained a unique identity in the smartphone market. Known for their 4K OLED displays, professional-grade cameras, and premium build quality, Sony's flagship lineup has always catered to niche audiences, content creators, photographers, and media enthusiasts. However, recent Xperia models have faced criticism for minor upgrades and high price points, struggling to compete with dominant players like Samsung Galaxy S series, iPhone Pro lineup, and Google Pixel devices. With the Xperia 17, Sony aims to reclaim its status by delivering next-generation features while maintaining the core Xperia DNA. But can it bring enough innovation to justify its flagship status? Let's break it down. Sony has always focused on premium materials, minimalist aesthetics, and ergonomic designs, and the Xperia 17 continues this tradition. According to leaks, the Xperia 17 will feature aerospace-grade aluminum frame for durability, frosted Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back, IP68 water and dust resistance for ultimate protection, slimmer bezels while maintaining the 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio, a more ergonomic design for improved grip and comfort. Sony is also rumored to be introducing a new fingerprint-resistant coating and matte finish options in Phantom Black, Arctic Silver, and Deep Blue. While the overall form factor may not drastically change, refinements in materials and finishing will make the Xperia 17 feel even more premium. One of the biggest controversies surrounding the Xperia 16 was the removal of the 4K display in favor of a lower-resolution FHD Plus panel. Fans were disappointed, as Sony was the only smartphone brand offering a true 4K OLED display. With the Xperia 17, Sony is expected to make a major comeback by bringing back 4K resolution on its 6.5-inch OLED panel. Key display features include 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision and HDR10+ certification for stunning visuals, 1500 nits peak brightness for excellent outdoor visibility, Bravia XR processing technology for enhanced color accuracy, Pro Creator Mode with 10-bit color depth for professional color grading. If these rumors are true, Sony will once again dominate the smartphone display segment, offering an unparalleled cinematic experience. Sony Xperia smartphones are highly regarded for their camera technology, and the Xperia 17 is expected to take things to the next level. Leveraging Sony alpha camera expertise, the device is rumored to feature a new generation exmor sensor along with cutting-edge computational photography improvements. Expected camera setup: 50MP main sensor, 1-inch exmor RS sensor, f/1.8 OIS, 48MP ultra-wide lens, 120 degrees FOV, f/2.2 dual pixel autofocus, periscope 10x optical zoom telephoto lens, 50MP, f/3.5 OIS, TOF 3D depth sensor, and AI-powered night mode. Key camera features: enhanced real-time IAF for humans and animals, 8K video recording with HDR support, cinematic video mode with S-Cinetone color grading, AI-driven computational photography for superior low-light performance, dedicated camera shutter button for a DSLR-like shooting experience. With these upgrades, Sony aims to compete with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and Google Pixel 9 Pro in mobile photography and videography. Under the hood, the The Sony Xperia VII is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, making it one of the fastest Android flagships of 2025. Here's what we know. 4 nanometers architecture for improved efficiency. Clock speeds exceeding 3.5 GHz for extreme performance. Up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Advanced vapor chamber cooling system for better thermals. AI-accelerated gaming optimizations. With these internals, the Xperia VII will be a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and professional workflows. The Xperia VII is expected to feature 5,500 mAh battery for all-day usage, 65W fast wired charging, 50W wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, adaptive battery AI to optimize long-term health. Sony is also working on graphene cooling integration, ensuring efficient power management without overheating. Running on Android 15 with Xperia UI enhancements, the Xperia VII will offer pixel-like UI experience with Sony's optimizations. Bravia engine for better video playback. 360 reality audio and high-res audio support. PS5 remote play and DualSense controller support. AI-enhanced battery optimizations. The Sony Xperia VII promises to be one of the most refined Xperia flagships ever. With a stunning 4K OLED display, professional-grade cameras, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 performance, and Sony's unique software features, this phone is set to be a game-changer. However, with competition from Samsung, Apple, and Google, will it stand out enough to attract a mainstream audience? What do you think about the Xperia VII? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech content.